Do you know what deepfake is? A deepfake refers to a specific kind of synthetic media where a person in an image or video is swapped with another person's likeness. The term deepfake was first coined in late 2017 by a Reddit user of the same name. This user created a space on the online news and aggregation site, where they shared pornographic videos that used open-source face-swapping technology. The term has since expanded to include synthetic media applications that existed before the Reddit page and new creations like style GAN, realistic-looking still images of people that don't exist. In more recent examples, deepfakes can be a voice that sounds like your boss on the other end of a phone line, Facebook's Mark Zuckerberg in an edited video touting how great it is to have billions of people's data, or Belgium's Prime Minister linking the coronavirus pandemic to climate change during a manipulated recorded speech. The term understandably has a negative connotation, but there are a number of potentially beneficial use cases for businesses, specifically applications in marketing and advertising that are already being utilized by well-known brands. That's why a growing number of people in this space are instead using the term artificial intelligence-generated synthetic media. It's broad enough to include the original definition of deepfake, but also specific enough to omit things like computer-generated images from movies, or photoshopped images, both of which are technically examples of something that's been modified. How do you make a deepfake video? To make a deepfake video, a creator swaps one person's face and replaces it with another, using a facial recognition algorithm and a deep learning computer network called a variational autoencoder, VAE. VAEs are trained to encode images into low-dimensional representations and then decode those representations back into images. For example, if you wanted to transform any video into a deepfake with Oscar-winning movie star Nicolas Cage, you'd need two autoencoders, one trained on images of the actor's face, and one trained on images of a wide diversity of faces. The images of faces used for both training sets can be curated by applying a facial recognition algorithm to video frames to capture different poses and lighting conditions that naturally occur. Once this training is done, you combine the encoder trained on the diverse faces with the decoder trained on Nicolas Cage's faces, resulting in the actor's face on someone else's body. How can you spot a deepfake? While there isn't a list of steps to take that will make someone completely immune to being fooled by a deepfake, there are some things to look for that can help in deciphering whether or not what you're looking at is real. Bro advised to pay attention to the face. Is someone blinking too much or too little? Do their eyebrows fit their face? Is someone's hair in the wrong spot? Does their skin look airbrushed or, conversely, are there too many wrinkles? Audio. Does someone's voice not match their appearance, a heavyset man with a higher-pitched feminine voice? Lighting. What sort of reflection, if any, are a person's glasses giving under a light? Deepfakes often fail to fully represent the natural physics of lighting. The best way to inoculate people against deepfakes is exposure, but if you want to see a deepfake yourself, they are not hard to find. In fact, Deeptrace Ajda explained, a lot of deepfake content is labeled as a deepfake, because creators are trying to show off their work. Deeptrace was founded in late 2018 to provide capabilities, like software as a service, for detecting deepfake images and videos. Deeptrace also monitors deepfake activity online and assists with taking down malicious deepfake videos targeting clients. In 2019, the company published a report on the state of deepfakes. It found more than 14,000 deepfake videos online, a 100% increase over their 2018 count. The study found that 96% of deepfake videos are pornography, and nearly all of those involve women. This increase is supported by the growing commodification of tools and services that lower the barrier for non-experts to create deepfakes, the report states. Outside of politics, the weaponization of deepfakes and synthetic media is influencing the cybersecurity landscape, enhancing traditional cyber threats and enabling entirely new attack vectors. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Imagine channel. Don't forget to like the video. See you again.